How Google search engine works. Google data centers. Whenever you access Gmail, or edit your documents, or search for information on Google, you are using one of its data centers, and have the power of a supercomputer at your fingertips. Google owns and operates data centers all over the world, helping to keep the internet humming 24/7. Google data centers are spread across the globe. 13 in North America region, 1 in South America, 6 in Europe, 2 in Asia. How Google search engine works. Every time you search, there are thousands, sometimes millions, of web pages with helpful information. Google starts showing you search results before you even type, and is guided by a commitment to you to provide the best information. Google is a fully automated search engine that uses software known as web crawlers that explore the web on a regular basis to find sites to add to their index. What are Google crawlers? Google searches the web with automated programs called crawlers or spiders. These program job is to find out new or updated websites or web pages, URLs, that are temporarily stored in Google database. There are different methods how these crawlers find out new web pages or URLs, but the main method is following links from pages. What is Google indexing? All the information that is gathered by crawlers, Google try to analyze what each page is about. It analyzes the content, images, and video files in the page, trying to understand what the page is about, and categorizes this information and permanently stores in Google database. This process is called as indexing. Google indexing is just like a library, except it contains more info than in all the world's libraries put together. Serving search results. When a user performs a Google search, Google tries to determine the highest quality search results. Here, all the series of Google algorithms play their part. In a fraction of a second, Google search algorithms sort through hundreds of billions of web pages in Google Search Index to find the most relevant, useful results for what you're looking for, in order to make user happy with their search experience. All the Google search results are free of cost, they are never paid. Only Google Ads are paid. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.